Hello everyone, my name is Sanjeev Bangar. I am from Focus College Kelowna, a regional manager for marketing. I would like to thank Mr. Vasal Manocha for organizing this live session for all the students aspiring to study in Canada. So today I will help you know more about our college, our courses and the process to admission along with our collaboration with the universities worldwide. So I would like to thank viewers joining us. Hello Monica. So stay tuned, and I would like all the viewers to share this video as much as you can so that more and more students can join us. So to start with, let me introduce at first myself again, as we have some viewers who just joined. My name is Sanjeev Bangar. I am Regional Manager for Marketing with Focus College Kelowna. So our college, we are located in the Kelowna town in Okanagan region in the British Columbia state of Canada. So we are in the west of Canada. To talk about Kelowna, a city very much full of nature. We have mountains, we have lake, we have vineyards, we have orchards. So a lot of nature all around. You have a lot to do there, especially not something that you have to do, but everything that you would want to do. Now talking about the college, we established in 1992 and it's been very wonderful journey of 27 successful years till date and surely ongoing. So the viewers joining us, I would just like to inform you, we are talking about Focus College Kelowna today. So now we are situated in Kelowna, as I said. So here we are talking today about the admission process, about our college. So I'll start with the qualifications at first. We are the Pioneer Institute, the Pioneer College in West Canada with SQA certification. So the students joining us, they basically get dual certification for all their courses. We are operating undergraduate advanced diploma courses. So we call that advanced certificate leading to advanced diploma. And we have 3 courses, those you can join us for. It's business management, it's computing, that's information technology, specifically for software development, and travel and tourism. So you have 3 undergraduate advanced diploma courses, duration of 2 years each. We do have postgraduate diploma in information technology. So that is specifically for the students interested in studying cybersecurity courses. So that is advanced security specialist. A postgraduate diploma in IT, advanced security specialist for 2 years. Now talking about the admission process with us. So we have 4 intakes every year with an intake capacity of 2,000 students. Our upcoming intake is the first Monday of July. And next to that we have the last Monday of September. So students are most welcome to get in touch with Networth Overseas Consultants for their admissions to Focus College Kelowna. Now we will talk about, as I said, we will be talking about our collaboration with the universities. So let me take you through that. We have a collaboration with 75 universities globally, including Canada, the United States, the United Kingdom, Australia, New Zealand, South Korea and Singapore. So students who successfully complete an advanced diploma with us of 2 years are very much welcome at various universities in these countries where they will be able to get entry into 3rd year of their education and they will be able to complete their graduation subsequently in 2 years. So we will take it ahead with the universities within Canada. So we have the University of Fraser Valley, the Royal Roads University, the Trinity Western University, Thompson River University, University Canada West, the Prince Edward University and University of Vancouver Island. So these universities are already on board where students will be able to get direct entry into third year of education after completing 2 years advanced diploma education at Focus College, Kelowna. So now talking about the admissions criteria. To get admitted at Focus College, Kelowna, you need to have 50% marks in your academics overall. So students aspiring to complete undergraduate advanced diploma course are required to have 50% marks in class 12, and the students interested to complete postgraduate diploma in information technology are required to have 50% marks in graduation. Simultaneously, for English proficiency, we ask for IELTS 6.0 overall. Please make a note, we are asking for overall percentage and overall IELTS score. So there is no minimum marks requirement. Going ahead, you need to submit your application, and you can do that through Net Worth Overseas Consultants. Mr. Vishal Manocha and their team will help you with it. Thank you very much, Mr. Manocha, for organizing this event. And once you start this, so you can get in touch with them. They'll help you fill the online application form. They will collect the documents required. Once we receive a complete application, we will send you a conditional offer letter within 24 hours. So along with your educational and IELTS document, you also need to provide your passport copy. So once this is received, we will issue the conditional offer letter. Once you receive the offer letter along with the student contract and refund policy, you are required to send us back a signed copy of all these and all the pages of offer letter. Once we receive this along with the tuition fee mentioned in your offer letter for the first year, you will receive your letter of acceptance in 5 working days. And the letter of acceptance will serve all your purposes for visa application. So you will be good to go with the visa application once you have received your letter of acceptance. Ms. Monica Dhiman just asked what about each band score. So Monica, I would like to tell again, we are talking about IELTS score overall. So even if you have got 5 band in 1 or 5.5 in 1, that is not a problem at all. So you can initiate your application if you have overall score of 6 bands. So the viewers who have joined us recently, I would just like to tell you again, my name is Sanjeev Bangar. I'm from Focus College. I take care of the marketing things here in Asia and Africa. I'm the regional manager for marketing. So we talked about our college that we are located in Kelowna, and we have completed 27 successful years. We are running our institute for 28th year in a row. We have advanced diploma courses in business, in computing, and in travel and tourism. We operate for PG diploma course as well in information technology, that is for advanced security specialist. Talking about other things, so I just talked about our application process, which is very smooth. You just need to fill an online application form. You can get in touch with Net Worth Overseas Consultants team to help you with this, and they will help you fill the online application form along with collecting your documents. So that will be your educational documents with 50% marks overall, and your IELTS score, that will be 6.0 overall. You will receive your conditional offer letter within 24 hours of submitting a complete application form. We just got a question. Ms. Khushbu Mendirata, are you accepting Duolingo? If yes, then let us know the requirement. Yes, Ms. Khushbu Mendirata, we are accepting admissions with Duolingo test, and you need to have equivalent score, that's IELTS 6.0. It should be equivalent to IELTS 6.0 in Duolingo. So you can just check that out. And do also check about the visa requirements, if they do accept Duolingo or not, because this was under consideration. Ms. Khushi Verma just asked about intakes. We have upcoming intake in July, that's on the very first Monday of July month. And the next will be on the last Monday of September. So you're most welcome to apply for the upcoming intake in July or September, the one that you wish. We are accepting applications for both. We have actually received a lot of applications for both intakes. Now talking about the process, how it goes. So as we talked about application, you submit an application through Net Worth Overseas Consultants. You will receive your offer letter in 24 hours. Post that, you need to return us a signed copy of offer letter. All pages must be signed along with student contract that will be shared by us. Once you sign those and submit the forms along with the first year tuition fee, you will receive your letter of acceptance in 5 working days. That will serve all your purposes for visa. You will be able to initiate your visa application with the letter of acceptance. I'll take you through again through the university collaborations, those we have. So we are partnered with 75 universities globally, including Canada, the United States, the United Kingdom, Australia, New Zealand, Singapore, and South Korea. So any student who completes an advanced diploma successfully with us will be able to pursue his degree further at any of the 75 universities. No doubt the course has to be linked. It has to have some sync with the previous diploma that they have. Now the universities that we talked about. So in Canada, we have the University of Fraser Valley, the Royal Roads University, Trinity Western University, Thompson Rivers University, University Canada West, University of Vancouver Island, and University of Prince Edward Island on board with us. So any student who completes an advanced diploma with us for 2 years will be eligible to get entry into the 3rd year of their education at these universities into the relevant courses, and they will be able to complete their education in 2 years. So they will be a graduate after 4 years, including their 2 years of education at Focus College Kelowna and 2 years at the university. I'll also take you through the postgraduate work permit part. So you will be able to get your postgraduate work permit once you complete your graduation. So you need to complete 4 years of education in Canada, including 2 years at Focus College Kelowna, followed by 2 years at any of the 7 universities we talked about, and you will be eligible to get your work permit. So taking it ahead, I would also like to tell you, some of you might be wondering why to go for a graduation when you can get a PGWP after diploma. Please be aware of the CRS scores. Right now, the CRS score that has gone up, so you are required to get more points, and the easiest way to get more points is get educated in Canada, complete a graduation degree, and you will be getting 120 points to be considered for your PR applications. So when we are talking about a diploma, you get 98 points after a diploma. So you will be falling short of 22 points. That do make a very big difference when we talk about PR applications. So we recommend all the students aspiring to study, who want to study in Canada, please pick a graduation course. Let it be any place that you wish to. And I will help you understand, and I'll help you know why you should choose Focus. So when we talk about a public college or a public university in Canada, you pay close to $16,000 to $18,000 a year when we talk about a community college for a 2-year diploma. And similarly, when we talk about a 4-year graduation degree, when you talk about the university courses, so you pay close to $22,000 to $25,000, $30,000 per year. When we talk about our college, so we are helping you save a lot of money in the first 2 years itself. When you study with us for first 2 years, you pay us a total of $26,500. So that's an estimated figure. Exact would be $26,380 for 2 years. Moving ahead for your education at a university, so depending on the course that you are picking and the university that you are picking, it may vary between $22,000 to $30,000, as I said. So considering an average cost, if we talk about, so you will be saving close to $14,000 to $30,000 in the first 2 years itself. So I'll just take up a question from Ms. Khushbu Mehndi Ratta. Yes, we do accept the distance education, provided the documents are genuine. So taking it ahead, when we were talking about the courses, this pathway program. So once you have completed this, now you proceed further for the university. With the university, while studying at Focus College Kelowna, you do get a benefit. You do not have to undergo the IELTS test again. You will be able to receive the conditional offer letter while studying with Focus College Kelowna itself, and going further, you will be able to get admitted into the university by sitting for a placement test organized by the university. Ms. Meenakshi Agrawal asked, last pass out year acceptable? Yes, Meenakshi, I'll just take you through the gap considerations here. For undergraduate advanced diploma courses, we are accepting gap up to 2 years, and for postgraduate courses, we are accepting the gap of up to 5 years. So please make a note if it is the last year that your student or you have passed out, or the year previous to that, you're most eligible, you're very much eligible to get entry into this year at our courses for undergraduate advanced diploma. And similarly, 5 years of gap will be accepted for any student who's interested to study for postgraduate diploma. Now, taking it ahead with the university pathways, as we were talking. So once you have received the conditional offer letter, you do not need to pay anything for that. You will only be making the payments once you have been accepted as a student there, and you will be paying the registration fee along with the tuition fee at that time only. As soon as you enter into the university, you will be having 2 years of education there. So once you have completed that, now you are a graduate with 5 certifications in hand. So as we talked about our dual certification at Focus College, so I'll take you through that again. Every student who is studying at Focus College Kelowna is getting dual certification for any course that they complete. Let it be a course of business management or travel and tourism or information technology. They get dual certification, one by the Focus College Kelowna, that is certified by EQA, the qualification authorities in British Columbia, by the Canadian authorities, and the second from SQA, that is Scottish Qualification Authorities. So with this, you will be able to get a dual certification, and by the end of completion of diplomas at Focus College, you have 4 certifications, that is 2 certificates at the completion of first year and 2 diplomas after completion of the second years, and a graduation degree as soon as you complete 4 years of your education. Again, I'll repeat, 2 years at Focus College and 2 years at university. You will be a graduate with a postgraduate work permit. We will just take a few questions. Ms. Kushi Verma has asked benefits to university transfer. So Kushi, this is for the students who are interested to study at a university. Now I'll take you through the reasons why someone should choose Focus, or what will be the circumstances when someone will have to look for a Focus as a pathway to the university. The students who are not able to make it for a university directly because of various reasons, that could be an IELTS score, that could be their academics, where the universities generally ask for 60% overall with no less than 55% in one, and similarly in IELTS they ask for 6.5 overall with no less than 6 in one. So when we are talking about Focus College Kelowna, our admission process is much liberal. We are asking for 50% marks overall along with 6.0 overall on IELTS. So here that makes it different for you. So the students who are not able to make it to the university directly are very much welcome to join us for the first 2 years and proceed further for the 3rd and the 4th year at a university. Among the 7 that I talked about, I'll just name those again for everyone here. We are partner with the University of Fraser Valley. So we basically have the pathway programs. The University of Fraser Valley, the Royal Roads University, Thompson River Universities, Trinity Western University, University Canada West, University of Vancouver Island, and University of Prince Edward Island. In fact, your letter of acceptance will have this in written. So there is no need to worry about if there will be a confirmation about you are entering into a pathway program or not. So you'll be getting that on your letter of acceptance as well. So every student who is interested in completing their graduation in Canada they are very much welcome to join Focus College. And as I said earlier, when we are talking about the admissions at Focus College, they are much liberal as compared to a university or a community college. And when we are talking about the community college, so majorly we are talking about 2 years diploma that they are going to pursue. And in case if someone after completion of their diploma from a public college is interested to pursue further their education at a university, please note, not all of them have a full credit transfer facility like we have that. With us, you will surely be getting entry into the third year based on the course selection. So it cannot be like you completed a diploma in business and now you want to study information technology further and you think of that you will be getting entry. So I'll take an example here so that you will understand it in a better way. With the University of Fraser Valley, you can get direct entry into the third year, that is the 5th semester, if you are pursuing further with bachelor's in integrated studies. Similarly, if you're going ahead with a BBA, they have this business administration bachelor's degree. So if you're pursuing further for BBA, you'll be getting 45 credits transferred. So this way you enter into the 4th semester. So the business course, if we particularly are talking about, every course actually must be linked with the further education. So similarly, when we talked about the UFV just now, the University of Fraser Valley, similarly every university, they have different courses linked with the courses that we have with us. So students can pick the graduation courses accordingly and will be able to save a lot of amount within the first 2 years itself. So as I earlier said, this amount varies from $14,000 to $30,000. That itself will help you sustain for 2 years, and not exactly just sustain but live with full life. Now talking about the admissions, again I'll take it ahead for you. Please get in touch with the Net Worth Overseas Consultants. Get in touch with them. They'll help you get admitted to Focus College Kelowna. The admission process is very simple. You need to submit your academics with the last qualifying exam, class 12th for undergraduate advanced diploma programs, graduation for the PG diploma. I'll also highlight here when we are talking about postgraduate diploma in information technology, we are specifically recommending the course for the students with a history of computer science studies in their graduation. No doubt the students who have not studied computers in their graduation can also take admission in PG diploma in IT, but we recommend them to undergo some fundamental education here in India so that they will be able to cope up with the course structure there. Talking about further the admissions part as we were discussing, so this is very simple, 50% in academics, 6.0 overall on IELTS. Just reach out to Net Worth Overseas Consultant, they'll help you get admitted at Focus College Kelowna. As soon as you submit the documents along with an online application form, we will issue the conditional offer letter. Please ensure that you are receiving the conditional offer letter only once you have submitted the application, and this will be issued within 24 hours. When we are talking about the letter of acceptance for visa purposes, as soon as you submit a signed copy of the student contract along with all the pages of offer letter signed by you, you will be receiving the letter of acceptance in 5 working days. As soon as you receive that, you will be very much eligible to proceed further to submit your visa application. Once you have received the visa, you will be able to get admitted directly. So get yourself registered, travel to Canada. All the best for the upcoming things there. We do operate special classes to ensure that people are very much aware of the culture there, and they do not actually undergo through any cultural shock. So we are among the very few colleges they are operating such orientation classes for the students to help them understand everything. And all the viewers, you're very much encouraged to write down your questions here in the comment box. I'll be taking those one by one so that everyone can get an answer to all the questions that they have. I would like to extend my gratitude to everyone who has joined us for this session, and especially to Mr. Vishal, Manoj and their team for organizing this wonderful session, giving us an opportunity to come online with all the subscribers here. you are requested to share this video as much as possible so that maximum number can be reached, more people can be benefited, more students can take advantage of this live session and they can know more about it. For any questions, as I said, you are most welcome to write it in the comment box. Here we got one, Ms. Sonia Jia. What will be the option for work permit and PR after the study is over? So as I said, Sonia, this is very simple. Once a student gets his PGWP, that is post graduation work permit, as soon as they have completed their education with us, that will be when they have completed their graduation. So that will be 4 years of study. They will get their PGWP valid for 3 years, and this is only available once in a lifetime. So it cannot be like someone who took this once after their diploma, then they want to go for probably graduation, and they want to go for this PGWP again. No. After receiving this PGWP and having completed 2 years of their work experience in Canada, they are eligible to initiate their PR applications. So they will create their profile on IRCC website, and they do the needful things there, and now they have to wait for the CRS score based on their assessments. As soon as their score that falls into that draw system, if they have attained the number, which in case of graduation, which is very, very likely to be accepted easily as compared to a diploma holder, because the diploma students, they get 98 points after completion of a diploma for their education in Canada, whereas a graduate student, they get 120 points. So this makes it a difference of 22 points in total. So this makes it difficult for the students who have completed just a diploma, and makes it very much easier for the students who have completed graduation. So this way, once they have applied for their PR, now they will be waiting for their ITA, which is an invitation to apply. After falling into that draw system, getting that required number, if their score that has been shortlisted, they attain that. So they will be getting this ITA, and they are good to go with everything else. And congratulations to all those who have got this recently, and my best wishes for everyone who is waiting for their ITA there in Canada. There has been a huge number in Ontario state itself of the diploma pass out students who are waiting for their ITA, and that actually motivated us to promote the graduation part more, because we want every student who is there with a dream of getting their residency there and looking forward to work hustle free. We just want them to guide properly. We want them to understand a diploma, yes, will surely help you get some jobs, surely some entry-level jobs. Whereas when we are talking about a graduation degree, that will be helping you in a much better way. You will be able to get much better jobs. No doubt the paychecks would surely be higher as compared to someone who has just completed a diploma there. So you are requested to explore all the options that you have when we are talking about your study for a diploma or for a degree. Please, the students who are watching this, the subscriber who are viewing us live right now, you're requested to share this maximum. For every aspirant who is interested to study in Canada, you're requested to get in touch with the Net Worth Overseas Consultants to get admitted to Focus College Kelowna. For any information, you're most welcome to get in touch with them. They will put you in touch with us, and we will share all the required information. And the viewers who are watching this, so you're requested to put your questions in the comment box so that we can take those one by one and everyone can get an answer to this. Thank you, Sonali Jia, for asking this. This has actually helped a lot of people. Now I will just check out the questions again so that we can take it ahead. Ms. Monica Dhiman. So I'll just quickly take all the questions once again, so those who have just missed it can actually understand what the criterias are and whatever questions has been asked, so they can also get some answers if some of us have the similar questions. What about each band score asked by Ms. Monica Dhiman? So as I answered, we require 6 bands overall. We are not asking for any specific score in any specific module. Ms. Kushi Verma asked about Duolingo. So again, the people watching this, please understand, we are accepting admissions with the Duolingo. Just cross check with IRCC if the visa applications are being accepted with the Duolingo test. Similar question came up from Khushbu Mendirata as well. I believe you all have got your answers. Let me just take it ahead with upcoming intakes. Question asked by Khushi Verma. So we have upcoming intakes in the month of July and September. So our first intake is on the first Monday of July month, and the next is on the last Monday of September month. So all these students who are interested to study in Canada for a graduation, as I have repeated it a lot of times here in this session, if you are interested in pursuing graduation at any of the universities, we are providing you a pathway to 7 wonderful universities. They are very prestigious. They do have really, they are very reputed universities in Canada. I'll name again those for you. We are partnered with the University of Fraser Valley, the Royal Roads University, University Canada West, Trinity Western University, University of Prince Edward Island, University Vancouver Island, and Thompson Rivers University. Anyone who is interested to study for graduation at any of the universities can also do so by approaching us at Focus College Kelowna. You can study for first 2 years with us and take an advanced entry into the third year of your education there at any of these 7 universities. So when we are talking about the benefits, so at first, the first benefit we talk about is the eligibility criteria itself. So a lot of students they'll not be able to make it up for various reasons. That could be academic, that could be their IELTS score, that could be financial, because education at a university is not that affordable for everyone. We do understand that fact. Not taking it ahead when we are talking about education at Focus College. So it's 26,380 Canadian dollars for first 2 years, helping you save anything between $14,000 to $30,000 for 2 years. So by this way, you can complete first 2 years of your education with us, and this first 2 year of education, where you will be getting your advanced diploma from Focus College and from the SQA, the Scottish Qualification Authorities. This will be counted as your first 2 years of education for graduation at these 7 universities in the relevant courses. So you will be able to get entry into the 5th semester directly. So this way you are able to save a lot of money, and surely all those students can be benefited, those who are not able to make it to the university for any reason. Now taking it ahead, while studying at Focus College, you will be able to get the conditional offer letter for these universities as well. So with the help of this conditional offer letter, you can further sit for the placement test for English. So an IELTS score of 6.5 is generally required for those students who are applying from India. Once you are onshore, you will be able to do that through the placement test as well. And the best thing is you do not need to pay anything. So again, that is also helping you save close to $250 if we calculate that as compared to the INR part. It is 13,000 INR right now for IELTS test. So moving ahead, when we talk about the other parts of admissions, you have received the conditional offer letter, you have cleared the English placement test, you are good to go with the admission at a university, provided that you have successfully completed your diploma at Focus College. So the advanced certificate leading to advanced diploma, the program, which is for 2 years, gives you an advanced entry into the third year of education, into the 5th semester directly at the 7 universities we talked about. All the viewers who have recently joined us, I would like to tell you all to get in touch with Mr. Vishal Manocha and their team at Net Worth Overseas Consultants. They will help you understand the entire process again. For any questions, you can directly reach out to them or me. We are always just a call away. Please get in touch with them. Their office is the shop number 9, Nehru Place, Karnal, and you can also get in touch with them on 9416004611. So you're most welcome to get in touch with them. They'll take you through the application process. They'll process your application for Focus College Kelowna. I will again reiterate our eligibility criteria. Eligibility is 50% overall in academics and 6.0 overall on IELTS. As soon as you get the 2 in hand, just reach them out. They'll help you process the application. We will just go through the questions again. So Ms. Khushbu Mendirata asked about distance education. So we do accept the open board education, the distance education. So students who have completed their education through correspondence are also welcome to apply at Focus College Kelowna. Mr. Satvir Savi, he asked when VFS open. So Mr. Savi, I would like to tell you, this is something which is with the Canadian authorities as of now. So we're not very sure of the VFS opening. But yes, we are expecting those to open up very soon. Please stay tuned. Just subscribe to VFS websites. They'll help you understand the exact date. Ms. Meenakshi Agarwal asked about last pass out year. So yes, this very much relates to the gap years. So I would like to tell all the viewers, we are accepting up to 2 years of gap in case of undergraduate advanced diploma programs and up to 5 years of gap in case of postgraduate advanced diploma programs. Ms. Kushi Verma asked about benefits to university transfers. As I have narrated to all of you again, you get advanced entry to the university through Focus College Kelowna. It is a great opportunity for all the students who were not able to make it because of any reason. So we'll discuss about they might not have attained the marks, or maybe the seats were full, or probably they were not having the required ALP score, or probably the finances that they faced. You are most welcome to apply through Focus College, complete your 2 years of advanced diploma and get a lateral entry into the third year of education at the partner universities. Yes, open school education is also accepted. This was a question from Ms. Sonia Jia. And what will be the option for work permit? Ms. Sonia Jia asked about the work permit and PR after the study is over. So as I told our viewers, a PGWP will be allotted to you once you have completed your degree at a university. So that's like 2 years of advanced diploma. You complete at Focus College. You pursue further for your graduation at any of the 7 universities we talked about. Once your study is completed, you are very much eligible to attain the PGWP. And after 2 years of work experience in Canada onshore, you will be able to apply for your permanent residency as soon as you have reached the cutoff released, which is released every 2 weeks. As soon as you get the ITA, you will be very much accepted with the PR application. Thank you very much, viewers. Thanks for being so patient. Thanks for hearing us out. I would like to thank Mr. Vishal Manocha, Mr. Satpal Manocha, their team at Network Consultants again. Thank you very much for such an interactive session with the students here. Everyone, I request you again for more information about Focus College Kelowna, its affiliations, its courses, intakes, admission process, or anything. Please feel free to reach out to Network Overseas Consultants team in Nehru Place, shop number 9. They will be very much happy to help you out and put you in touch with us for further processes. If any of our viewers have any more questions, they are most welcome to write it in the comment box. I'll be happy to take any question that they have. So as we have seen, all the questions have already been asked and answered. Thank you very much, viewers. We'll now sum it up. Bid adieu to all of you. Stay home, stay safe, stay happy. Thank you very much.